Hello, in this tutorial, I will be walking you down how you can train your AI assistant using text snippets. So you log into your account, you select a project, then you navigate to agent section, then you select text snippet under training, then you click on add for snippet, then you enter the title of your snippet, add the content of your snippet. Once you're done, you click on submit text. So this is completed. You will see the status become training completed. So you can add as many text snippets as you want. So if to add a new one, just click on add text snippets and then you repeat the process all over again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.